It is therefore very unfortunate that some state governors, led by that of Katsina State, are vainly conspiring to truncate this progressive reality in favor of the inequitable status quo so that the federal government can continue to rob Peter to pay Paul as the nation's self-imposed tax master general. For us in Rivers State, we will continue to ensure and project our constitutional rights to access all possible resources we can take hold, both within and outside our geographical boundaries, to advance the progress of our state. And with today's judgment, the way is now clear for the administration and enforcement of the Rivers State Value-Added Tax Law 2021 across the entire state until otherwise decided and set aside by the superior courts. Consequently, I hereby direct the Rivers State Revenue Service Board to ensure the full and total implementation and enforcement of this law against all corporate bodies, business entities, and individuals with immediate effect. All corporate bodies, business entities, and individuals are advised to willingly, truthfully, and promptly comply with their tax obligations under this law to avoid the full weight of the stipulated sanctions, including having their business premises sealed up. Let me warn that the Rivers State government is fully in charge of the state and will not tolerate any further attempt by the FIRS to sabotage or undermine our authority to freely administer our tax and other related laws in our own state. Those who play with the fire risk having their fingers burnt. Enough of the shenanigans.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.